This week we have on the menu, we have some baked chicken. And I think I'm gonna do a side of like green beans and sweet potatoes, keep it simple. But I'm gonna show you guys how I make my baked chicken. It's gonna be in the oven, surprise. But let's get into it. First, we're gonna run through cleaning the chicken, what's important for me at least when it comes to chicken thighs. And then we're gonna go into seasonings and stuff like that. All right, so when it comes to the chicken thighs, right? So I like to clean up all that fat that you see right there. So we're gonna trim all that, all this, and we're just gonna take it and throw it in our bag. And we're gonna do this for all the pieces that we use. And I'm using a whole pack, so I think it's about what, 6 pieces. It's the most time-consuming shit you could ever imagine. But when I'm eating, I don't like having all them fat pieces in my food. It's like, ugh. Now, if you're cooking this on the grill, I wouldn't say you would necessarily need to clean as much because, you know, the grill gonna kind of burn all that fat. But since these are going into the oven, you know. So look, so even in there, just make sure I'm in the camera. It's like these small little pieces of fat. And it does seem like it does take a long time, but it's you know, play some music. For me, I'm, you know, making a video of this. And then even under that skin, like there'd be a lot of fat hiding right there. You want to go ahead and get that too while we're at it. Oh, sorry. So look at that. So this still got some more fat. I'm gonna go in and kind of trim some more of it, but I still got like, looks like 6, 7 other pieces to go. Yeah. So when we come back, we're just gonna season it all up. So. All right. So we're back. All the chicken's been trimmed. Our cleaning process is done. I like to toss it in some water and some lime as well. Kind of just, you know, say I clean my chicken. Yeah. Anyways, so now we're gonna season everything. We're gonna start off with some olive oil. Just coat our chicken. And so for seasonings, I'm going with a cayenne pepper. Can you see that? Cayenne pepper. A smoked paprika, dash, no salt. It's very important, okay? And then we're gonna hit it with some minced garlic, like a Fiesta. They sell like the Fiesta brand seasonings. They're actually just a lot more cheaper, and they all do the same thing. So this is the smoked paprika. This is, I know a lot of people say paprika is only for color, but I mean, there's a little seasoning in there. We're gonna hit it with our garlic and herb dash salt free. So we're gonna hit a lot of it. This is gonna be our main seasoning. Yeah, and like I said, there's no salt, so you know, kind of just really have fun with that one. And then last but not least, this is like my secret weapon. It's the cayenne pepper. Because this is going to come back and play later on. It's going to give us our kick for our chicken. Just kind of coat these as much as we can. Kind of get in there, get it all mixed up, baby. Pull these sleeves back, show these muscles. Yeah. So this is the chicken. Yeah, look how good that looks. So I'm just gonna put like little specks of butter in here. Since I don't have any chicken stock, I don't want to put too much. But this butter's gonna melt. The chicken is gonna make its own juices and shit. So, and then we're gonna use all that and kind of revive this chicken and stuff. So, okay. So like I said, that cayenne pepper was gonna come back into play. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cayenne pepper the top of the skin. In the sink. Let's get this nice and covered. So remember, $3.75 for an hour. And then when we uncover it, we're gonna baste that chicken, you know, etc. We'll get to that. All right, it is ready. This is stage 1. Now we gotta prep it for stage 2. Look at that. Look at that. So all the juices can come. Cayenne. And then we're gonna let this go uncovered for about 30 minutes. And this will be ready. All right, chicken thighs are done. They look amazing. Let's hear how crispy they are. It's like this crispy top layer of skin. The cayenne just, it's gonna give it that nice kick to it as well. So that is it for the meal prep, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to shoot me a follow. If you have any suggestions on anything I should make, let me know. But I mean, I kind of got it. I kind of got locked in, right? All right.